Hi, I'm Sophie Mo, a tattoo artist with a background in media, graphic design and illustration. You can see my work in books, magazines, murals and in human bodies. You can get a piece of your own at Parliament Tattoo London, where I'm a resident. Tattooing is a form of body modification that helps people feel more comfortable and confident in their own bodies. So doing something that helps people feel this way is pretty special. Inspired by cinema, Japanese culture and Victorian illustration, I create unique blackwork tattoo designs with a heavy use of various graphic elements. The use of black as my only colour helps me capture the soul of the character in a minimal and powerful way, where lights and shadows meet to create a unique design. In this Domestika course, you'll learn how to create a tattoo design or a tattoo with illustration. For the final project of this course, you'll develop 3 tattoo designs, a portrait, an animal drawing and a floral illustration. To start, I'll talk about how I apply my tattoo technique into my drawing. Then I'll present you the materials needed for this course and explain what each of them is used for. I will show you how and where to look for inspiration and how to sketch out your designs. For the portrait, I'll teach you how to achieve likability with a very minimal use of outlines. Then I'll explain you how I define the project visuals, adding more refinement and depth. In the next step, I'll give you some tips on contrast and shading to finish our drawing. Later on, I'll explain you how to clean up your design in Photoshop, isolating the colour and resizing it. Finally, I'll give you some advice on how to pick the right place in your body and how to take care of your tattoo once it's done. After this Domestika course, you'll be able to create a handmade design ready to be tattooed. Embrace the use of black ink and create visually distinctive custom tattoo designs.